Hey, I got a surprise box, a wow box it's called, from Vance Morris of Deliver Service Now. So this is a wow box that he sends to his clients and prospects and others. I don't know what's inside of it, but I want to open it in an unboxing video, as they call it, and show you as I open it so we can consider how to have wow boxes for our clients and delight them in ways that they never would expect, because most people are not delighting their clients. So let's explore what's in Vance Morris's of Deliver Now wow box. Boop. 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 Let's see. Of course, paper. Oh, wow, it's custom made. Fulsome garment. Oh, my Lord. Wow, this is, looks like a cool clothes. Wow, look at this news. Wow, this is awesome. A nice magazine. Wow, clothing line. And his note inside says, Ramon. Wow. I love this. All right, some nice swag in there. And there's a big box in here. It says, Ramon, great meeting a fellow Jersey dude. Wow. Personalized to me. Opening it up. Has a nice sticker on there. Open it up. Oh, wow. Bring the magic of Disney to your members or next event. Look at that nice paper. Oh, wow. I don't even want to open it. It's so nice. Wow. Oh, wow. This is a wow box. It reminds me of the Tory Burch box I got one day with a person side. Wow. Oh, look at that. Woo. Let's Disneyfy your business. A beautiful folder. Wow. Let's bring the magic of Disney to your members at your next event. Ooh, I love this. Look at that. A cool folder explaining about Vance, what he can do to Disneyfy your event or business. So you definitely want to check out Vance Morris of Disney Now. Let's Disneyfy your business. Look at the success stories of what others are saying about Vance. He has the proof, social proof, as it were, success stories right there. I love that. Oh, this is cool. I've never seen a wow box quite like this. Open and watch, it says. Vance Morris knows how to... Wow.
From the Disney guy, Vance Morris.
This is...
Your client's reach is becoming your all-powerful
It's a
marketing.
personalized video from Vance.
Commanding prices 2 times,
Showcases
5
what he
times,
does.
10 times your closest competitor.
So I'm going to look at this later on. All right. Has his book inside. I think Vance Morris's book, Systematic Magic. Vance Morris. Wow. I'm impressed. A little notebook, right? Love it. Of course, the Pez folder. Look it. I love this. Oh, man. Disneyfy, what is this? Oh, a pin as well. This is cool. I will never, ever forget Vance Morris. Ever. Wow. And this must be, I'm guessing, a pin. Maybe it's a pop-up car. Wow. Look at that. Disneyfy your business. I love it. And it looks so regal and cool. Ooh, there's something under here as well. Oh. Remember, it all started with a mouse. Wow. Look at that Disney factoid. He refers back to the Disney experience. I love this. Clients in their own words. Let's Disneyfy your business. Talks about where did Mickey Mouse come from, the history, so we can get why he's referring to Disneyfy your business. Vance Morris. Wow. I will cherish this for a long time as I gingerly fold this box back up. Man. Wow. Vance Morris, you are, my friend, the greatest of all time.